The sun hung low in the sky as I began my climb up Dambulla Rock, its golden light spilling over the treetops. The stone path wound its way up through the forest, and with each step the modern world felt further away. Monkeys darted between branches, their curious eyes watching as I made my way up, the distant hum of prayer chants floating through the air. At the top, the entrance to Dambulla's cave temple stood like a gateway to another time. This wasn't just a temple. It was a sanctuary carved into stone, a place where Buddhist monks had prayed for over 2,000 years. A group of Tok'makaks lounged lazily on the roofs, completely unfazed by the steady stream of visitors. Some groomed each other with quiet focus, while others playfully ran after each other. Inside, the cool air carried the scent of ancient incense, and the flickering light of oil lamps cast shadows on the cave walls. There were 5 caves, each telling a story of faith, devotion, and artistry. In the first, an enormous reclining Buddha stretched along the rock, his serene expression frozen in time. The stone walls were alive with murals depicting tales from Buddhist scriptures, their reds, blues, and golds still vibrant after centuries. Moving through each chamber, I found myself surrounded by dozens of Buddha statues, some standing, some seated in deep meditation. Their presence was overwhelming, as if the very rock had absorbed centuries of whispered prayers. The final cave felt almost celestial. Its vaulted ceiling curved above golden-seated Buddha, while the walls glowed with intricate frescoes. Outside, the midday heat had begun to rise, but inside, time seemed to stand still. Descending from the caves, I made my way to Dambulla's golden temple at the foot of the rock. The sight was striking. A massive golden Buddha sitting cross-legged, its towering form reflecting the afternoon sun. The temple's entrance was guarded by a colossal lion-shaped gateway, its wide-open mouth symbolizing the gateway to wisdom. Nearby, a golden stupa stood in quiet contrast, its smooth dome adding a sense of peace to the scene. As I left Dambulla behind, I carried with me not just the memory of its artistry, but the feeling of stepping into a place where history, spirituality, and devotion merge into something timeless.